Hello guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove and change the battery in the Dreo Heater Remote control. Okay, so let's first off, you can do it with a pencil. Find this bottom tab right here and you're going to push that in. Okay, once you do that, very easy, comes out. Okay, there is the battery. CR2025 is what you need. Now there was some confusion in an earlier video about how to remove this. First off, there is some screws here, but you don't want to remove the screws. It's very simple. So the way you remove the batteries, you're gonna, down here, you're gonna notice there's this little tab. See that? All you have to do is you want to pull down on that and the battery is released. Very simple to do, not hard at all. See, you can see there's a plastic part and it pulls down and that releases the battery. You don't have to remove this screw and you don't have to remove that part either. You can just leave that in. I mean, if you really wanted to remove it, you can, but you need a little screwdriver like this and then you would do that, but you don't need to do that. And now I'm gonna demonstrate for you how to put it back in. The plus part goes up like this and the negative part goes down in there. Okay, so let's demonstrate it. Very easy. You're just gonna push that down in there, underneath there, and then very gently, see, and it's holding it. It's not going anywhere. So make sure that this part is like this and this part. Very simple. One more time. I'll demonstrate one more time. Pull down on the tab. Battery comes out. It's a brand new battery, so I'm not gonna show you with a new battery because this is a new battery. So one more time we put it in. Okay, once you have it in place, you're just gonna get your remote control and you're just simply gonna put it back the same way. And it's easy because you see the hole right there. That's how you got it out in the first place. This is exactly how it goes in. You lock it into place and that's it. Simple as that. If you found this useful, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. That really helps me out. This is for the Dreo heater, how to change the battery. Okay, I'll see you.